Hello. In the last video, we showed how to upgrade the node to version 9.1.0, which was required for the Conway hard fork. And that's all fine, but the node version has a bug where if you are in the Conway era and you restart the node, it will revalidate the whole ledger every time you restart it. So that's a big problem. And most of you have already updated to the bug fixed version, which is 9.1.0, but we're doing this video anyway just to show the process. And there's also a new node version 9.2.1 which has some other improvements not related to the bug, and we'll show how to upgrade to that one too. So the first thing we can do is just stop the node that's running. So systemctl stop CNode. Okay, now that the node is stopped, we can check the status to see. Okay, stopped. What we do is we just go to our TMP folder that we created last time, where we have the guild deploy script, and we basically just run that script again. We specified the branch, so the guild tools are now, the master branch is pointing at node 9.1.1, the bug fixed version, and we're gonna install that one first. So besides specifying the branch, we do S for selective install, and then I think it's D for downloading the binaries. So basically that's all we want to do, right? All our config and everything else is fine. We just want the new binaries, and that's it. So okay, there was an update to the script, so this really didn't do anything besides update the script. So we just run it again, and now it's gonna download the files. Okay, so we see it's downloading 9.1.1. That's what we want to see. That's great. Well, it's downloading, yeah, all the binaries, even though we are only interested in basically Node and Cardano CLI in this case, but doesn't matter. So Cardano-node, the script is done. Let's check the version, 9.1.1. Excellent. Okay, we can restart the node. Okay, we can go to CNode home scripts and check guild live view. Now maybe the node is testnet, so maybe it started already, maybe not. Yeah, it looks like it's starting. Okay, it's starting. We can look at the logs as well. So we have the node JSON. So what's going on? Okay, looks like it validated the ledger. So it started, and then now guild live view should be fully able to get all the data. Yeah. Okay, so we see we are syncing, tip diff is 0. Okay, so we upgraded the node, we are back and running. So this is a core node on the preview network running as a stake pool. And yeah, that's it. So let's try to upgrade to 9.2.1. Again, we stop the node. And we go back to the TMP, and like the last time we ran guild deploy, we specify branch master, and now we're just going to specify alpha. So between 9.1.1 and 9.2.1, there's no config changes as far as I know, or anything like that. So basically just replacing the binaries should be fine. So if we specify the alpha branch, let's see if it says it's downloading 9.2.1 now. There we go. 9.2.1. It's going to download all the other ones as well. Okay, let's give it some time. Okay, that's done. So let's check the version. Should be 9.2.1. Yes, it is. Okay, let's go to CNode home and let's restart the node. And let's look at the logs. Okay, so it's opening the ledger DB again, and on testnet this shouldn't take too long before it gets past that. Unless something's wrong, of course. And there we go. Peer status, okay, yeah. Now it's doing the trace node not leader every second, so it means it's synced. And if we look at that in Guild Live View as well, we'll see that we are 9.2.1. Okay, no ledger replay happened during these upgrades, right? The node restarted just like that because everything is already validated. And that's it. That's how simple it is to upgrade the nodes with Guild Tools. Enjoy.